What's up guys, Jack here with MTS, and back in high school I had to do a satire project for Language Arts. I had about an hour to put the whole thing together, so it's not my best work, but I hope you all enjoy, and happy April Fool's Day everybody.
Here at Microsoft, we strive to create products and services that push the limits of what's possible. Windows 10, our greatest creation, was built from the ground up to be the ultimate platform for both professionals and home users alike. Windows 10 updates itself at the appropriate time of whenever it feels like, so that way you always have the most up-to-date platform, regardless of whether you're currently working on. Oh, dang it! Can we get a Mac in here to run the teleprompter? Great. Now we won't have these problems, thank you. Our new Surface laptop is one of our greatest creations to date. It not only competes with the MacBook, but it changes the rules of the competition itself, so that way the product always comes out on top. The Surface laptop competes with every MacBook Pro, as it is 5 times faster than even the most powerful MacBook Pro for things like video editing. Windows 10 is heavily structured around privacy, in terms of you have none. We have all your stuff. Cool? Great. Our Surface Studio was designed specifically for creators, for artists, for video editors. It is the most powerful all-in-one we sell, and it hops in the ring with the iMac and comes out on top in terms of price. With the amazing display hinge, users can adjust the display to any angle they want, from a regular usage standpoint down to 20 degrees, the perfect angle for a drafting table. And when the internal specs of your Surface Studio become outdated, you can just plug in via the mini DisplayPort on the back any other computer to take advantage and recycle the beautiful Wait, we removed that?
That's gone. Yeah, no, don't tell them about that.
Oh, it was never an option. Okay, cool. So, useless then.
Yeah, no, we removed it.
Great, got it. So, the Microsoft Surface Studio. Once the specs become obsolete, buy a new one. With our out-of-the-box creation tools, such as Microsoft Paint, you can be ready to create from day one. To further protect our products, every product in the Surface family has been sealed off from outside access, so that way the hardware can perform at its best and users don't have to worry about tinkering with the internals or swapping any components out. You might be thinking that that would make repair very difficult. Well, Windows 10F, our newest version of Windows, is designed specifically for education, as it shifts the programs that you'd be using from any x86 executable file to verified apps from our store. That way, you only have approved apps that are secure, safe, and appropriate for kids and students. The performance of Windows 10S is unrivaled, as you are so locked down that you can't have any background services running that would eat up your resources. So your computer will be as fast day one as it is on day 100. Now, Windows 10S is even more secure than ever. Ignore the fact that we included Windows Defender in it, because you won't get viruses anyway. So just don't look at Windows Defender. It's useless, because no viruses, right? Yay! And with Windows 10S, users get to use our incredible Edge browser, which can also be used in Windows 10. The only difference being that in Windows 10S, it's the only browser you get to use, along with our amazing search engine, Bing. We've been working to make Windows 10 the most intuitive and optimized platform, free of bugs, kinks, and anything that would just hinder the overall usability. We have spent exactly 12 minutes working on optimization, and we think that's all it needs because it is perfect how it is. Windows 10, we're watching.